Hey, you missed me. I'm here again. Midday market recap for June 27. Hey there, Tamir from פיבונאצ'י.com here. It's 11:59 p.m. China time, 11:59 a.m. New York time, and 6 now it's 7 p.m. Israel time. Hi. Say hi. Don't be shy. Hi, Avi. Hi, Fadi. Let's go. Let's hit those charts. Let's see what the SPY and the rest of the gang is providing us. For now, you have here SPY 65 minutes. As you can see, we opened up with a very bullish sentiment, but in the last hour, we just gave everything back, and now we are back below the 545. This is SPY on the 65 minutes. Let's check QQQ on the 65 minutes. What's going on here? Same thing, but QQQ holding inside the yellow zone. The yellow zone is a no trading zone. If we want to go long on the QQQ, we need to break above the 482 area. What else do we have? Interesting, we have SMCI. If you're not a member in our Discord, you just missed very nice. I will show you. For those who don't know, this is the Fibonaccio's Discord. You just missed SMCI long. We took SMCI long just 1 hour ago on the break. As you can see, 854.50. Now we are at the 865.60. So yes, if you are not a member of the Discord, in the Fibonaccio's Discord, you are missing some great A+ setups for day trading, for swing trading, in English, in Hebrew, same thing. And look how we knew beforehand. Let me show you that the SPY hit this trend line. Look where the SPY is now. This is the SPY in the 15 minutes from trend line to trend line. Now let's get this bounce. Let's get above the 545 area. Just put a line over here and you will see that the 545 is very important level of support and resistance, breaking up and above, and then we are heading back to the 547, 548 area. What's more interesting? Yes, SMCI working perfectly. One trade we took today so far. One trade, day trade, one trade. And one more thing, if you are not a member in the Discord, you are missing big. You are missing the automation of the SPI signals. It gives us swing signals for long, for short automation. As you can see, it gave us long on PLTR above 2420 time frame on the daily stop loss. It also gives us where to put our stop loss. It gave us long on NEE price above 74 time frame daily stop loss 72.20. Also Mobileye gave us all these from today. Shopify, Mobileye once again, so you won't miss it. NEE, PLTR, everything automation, ladies and gentlemen. All you need to do is just hit the link in the description below. And why cannot hear you? Nobody hear me? I'm talking to myself. What happened to my sound?
Now? Sorry, it was a little bit off. Wait, don't go anywhere. Don't go, wait. What happened to my sound? Now? Opa. Sorry, it was a little bit off. Now, sound is back. Sorry for that. Sorry. So, once again, I will go over everything. Sound is back, ladies and gentlemen. Sound is back. Wait a second. What did I... Once again, we had long on PLTR. We took long here in the Fibonaccio's Discord, long at the 8:54.50. Day trading. We have day trading, swing trading, options, crypto. Also in Hebrew, day trade, swings, everything that you need. Look at this. Now for day trader, we are now at the 8:65. This is how it looks. Amazon, this is how it looks. Amazon continues to the upside. Nvidia holding the 123 area. Now, by the way, if you want to join the Fibonacci Traders Discord, all you need to do is just click this link and you will get access to all the Discord channels and to the FTI. This is how it looks. This is Shopify trying to get back. Nvidia holding the 15 minutes above the 123. Let's get above the 124 and then we are heading back to this red trend line. Amazon looking super good. SMCI for now looking super good. SPY now bouncing once again from this trend line. Now let's see continuation back to here. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. 545.60 is the next. Above it, this and all the rest of the future resistance. Everybody see me? Hear me and see me good now? I didn't realize my mic was almost off. So, who is with me? Itzik, hi. Samsung, how are you? How are you? Long time no see, Samsung, my friend. Hope everything is well on your side. Always good to see you and hear you. Hi, Mayor, MSRF, Zorik, Shai, MSRF. Let's check. You remember yesterday, by the way, you remember yesterday, pre-market, we talked about Rivian, we talked about the gaps that will get filled. Here we go. First gap got filled. Now you have the second gap over here. If you trade with FOMO, if you trade with no trading plan, you are down for now 14% since the peak of yesterday. 14%. Now this area needs to hold the support, otherwise this gap at the 12 will get filled. VKTX. Let's check VKTX, downtrend until proven otherwise. This area, if you want to go long, for now, in my opinion, only above 53.50 to the upside. Hi Amir, hi Iran, hi Matan. Sound, everything good now. Matan, I just clicked the link I just posted a few minutes ago and you will join the Fibonacci Traders. I assure you, this is the only, first, it's the only Discord in the world with two languages, multi-language, Hebrew and English. So it covers all the languages that we know, right? Maybe Spanish. If anyone knows Spanish, you're more than welcome to open a channel under my Discord in Spanish for the Spanish speaking. And this is the only Discord in the world you will not want to leave. Why? Because we have many eyes looking for A+ setups for day trading and swing trading. Join today. You can always cancel. I assure you, you will not want to cancel. What else? Now it's okay. Okay. Thank you. Why is the channel in English? Everyone here speaks Hebrew. The channel is in English because we have also English speaking viewers. I have English speaking followers. I have English speaking students. So I do 2 videos every day, 2 lives every day. 1 video, the stock market recap each and every day, also in Hebrew, also in English. And I do 2 lives every day, the pre-market and the midday market recap review. 1 in English, 1 in Hebrew. If the pre-market is in Hebrew, the midday will be in English. If the pre-market is in English, the midday will be in Hebrew. I'm trying to cover as many viewers, as many students, as many technical wannabe analysts, as many wannabe traders as I can, so I can help as many traders as I can. And by default, there are more English-speaking people in the world than Hebrew-speaking in the world. It's always good to learn another language, especially English. AVPT, Zorik. AVPT, after this bull run, some kind of a cool off. As long as you're above the 999, you're good to go. What else do we have? Can you join the server for free? No, Matan, sorry. It's a lot of knowledge. It's a knowledge that I'm sharing. And sharing and knowledge is money. Can you go to university and learn for free science or become a lawyer for free? I don't think so. Same goes for here. Same goes for here. If you are going to your lawyer, if you're going to your, I don't know, to any professional, accountant, lawyer, teacher, if you want to learn English, for example, you take a teacher for English, right? You pay her money or him. You pay your lawyer. You pay your broker. Nothing is for free, especially knowledge. Knowledge, time, experience costs money. What else do we say? What else do we have? Always great to have you back, Samsung, my friend. Always. Camtech, all-time high. Welcome, Camtech. As long as Camtech, CAMT, is inside this channel, we're good to go long. Tesla, let's check Tesla for Itzik. Tesla yesterday broke this area. Now, the 198.72 support, resistance. As long as we are above the 191, maybe even retesting the 186 as support. It was very tough resistance. It needs to get checked as support. And then next leg up. What else do we have? Tesla we talked about. High Shved. Net for Shy. NET. Net looking good. Inside the gap. Now as long as 78.31 is holding as support. Next resistance. Next target is this gap over here. I will put it on my watch list. I missed it. Let's see where it continues. Maybe I can still go in. Above this one, all the next levels to the upside are in play. You still have this red line. Needs to get broken to the upside. Camtech we talked about. What do I say about Palantir? Palantir looking very good. Very good. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Now the 24.25 is the support. As long as you're above 24.25. As long as you're above this red line. Next target is the 26.60 and 28.20 to the upside bullish on all time frames. Epi, long time we didn't talk about Epi. Tamir, not this one. This one? Not this one. This one? No. Always I'm forgetting which one is it, Tamir. What happened to my internet? This one? After a few days of consolidation, now to the upside, let's check it in the last 21 days. Same. This is your support. The 47.88 is the support. Next target above today's highs, 49.51. Overall uptrend until proven otherwise. Nice one, Amir. Hi, Fadi. Fadi wants GitLab. GitLab. We talked about GitLab in today's morning stock market recap. And we said it looks very good. Now, bullish on all time frames, double top scenario. Now with this trend line breaking above it, and we are heading towards this gap at the 53 area. Looking good as long as 47 is holding as support. AVGO, Broadcom. Still holding the 50% retracement, the 1573 area holding a support, breaking below, and this gap at the 1500 will get filled bearish on all time frames. CRM looking very good. Finally broke this area of resistance. Next, as long as 249.40 is holding support. Next target is the 258.50, and then this gap will get filled. We are inside an option channel. Alar, once again, Alar. We talked about Alar in today's pre-market. Very nice, Alar. Broadening formation. Yesterday we talked about this broadening formation, right? And we said very high chances that we are heading to this trend line to the upside once again. Today, 21% to the upside. Next target is the 4. Let's take it to the upside. 48.8, 45.80 and 52 are the next resistance, as long as you're above the 37 as support. NTNX for Avi, NTNX, nice double bottom, multi bottom. Let's check it in the last 13 trading days. To the upside. You see how it's easy with the FTI. Just one click away, you have everything that you want. As long as you're above the 55 area, you are good to go long. Next is the 58, 60 and 63.47. You have a major gap at the 70, and we know that more than 85% chance all gaps will get filled. This is also, thank you Avi, goes on my top watch list. Iridium starting to bounce back up. Very nice. Let's check Iridium in the last 21 days. We are inside the yellow zone. If you're already long, as long as you're above the 25.90 area, you're good to go long. Next resistance is here, the 27.30. Above it, 28. Above the 28, you have a very tough trend line to beat. This trend line will be a very tough one to beat. Beating above it, breaking above, and you will see 28.30 and back to the 30.20. W day looks pretty good. We took long on W day in the Fibonacci Traders Discord. You need to join us, ladies and gentlemen. You need to join us. You don't know what you're missing. One trade, one good trade will cover a yearly subscription. One trade can cover, depends on your risk management, and if you take the trade, one trade can cover you yearly subscription. If you break it down to a daily fees, it's less than your daily cup of coffee in your local Starbucks or in your local, I don't know local, I don't know, Coffex. Maybe not Coffex because it's late already. It's shit coffee. What's good coffee? Good coffee. Anyway, W day looks pretty good. Now the 219 is the support. Next target 228, 234, and then this gap at the 260. India EPI ETF. We talked about this, Tamir. Looks good. Mara, once again, Mara for Fadi. Not looking good. Downtrend until proven otherwise. NU also looking pretty good. Yudkovich, thank you very much for your subscribe. Be like Yudkovich, hit the subscribe and you will get your own emoji. Singing emoji over here. This, what else do we have? NU looking good. As long as you're above the 12.32, you are good to go long, bullish on all time frames. Teva, let's check Teva. Not looking good. Broke this option channel. Now, the 16.16, very important area of support. Below it, 15.74, 15.20, and this gap will get filled and at the 14.10. MasterCard, MA is the ticker, looking very, very, very bad. Bearish on all time frames. No long for now on MasterCard. Below the 437, and you will have downtrend continuation to the 431, 428, and all the rest of the future support. Thank you very much, Yossi, Avi, Mara. We talked about CLSK. CLSK doing nothing, very tight price action, long above the upper red line, short below the lower red line towards this gap, and of course everything that you see and hear on my videos, on my lives, on my channel is for educational purposes only. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing that you see and hear and think that you hear here is not a financial advice. Please do your own due diligence, or do yourself a favor. Give yourself a gift. Take the Fibonacci Traders online program. 6 hours on how to become a better trader. Not to become, how to be a professional swing trader, how to be a professional day trader, for short, for long, with lifetime access, first to me, second, lifetime access to all the Discord channels you just saw, and you will get also as a bonus, as a token of appreciation from me to you, you will get the FTI on your chart. So give yourself this gift. You will not regret. You will not regret. One-time payment. It's not a mortgage. I think it's less than 1,000 US dollar, if I'm not mistaken. Last time I checked, the online program, one-time payment, and you will get lifetime access to me, all Discord channels, and to the FTI until you will start doing real money in trading. What else do we have? RK. RK, nothing much inside the yellow zone, long above the 44.30. Until then, nothing much on this name. Exas. Why is everybody asking me about Exas? Who's running Exas? Who do you follow that's talking about Exas so much? Danny, you're not the first one who asking me about this. Who is trying to pump this name? Looks not good. It's still under this red line. In my opinion, only above the 47.71 weekly close, because the weekly is bearish. I wonder who tries to pump this name. What's the volume on this one? Have a nice volume, but who's trying to pump it up? Pump. DraftKings for Jayla. Jayla? Am I pronouncing your name correctly? If not, please correct me. DraftKings looking not good, below the yellow zone, sell signal on the daily, below the 37, you will see 34 to the downside. D-Dog, super nice. Super nice. Look at these two candles, broke above the yellow zone, now heading towards the 133, and as long as you're above the 123, you're good to go long. Bullish on D-Dog on all time frames, super good. NVMI, what's going on with NVMI? Still inside this uptrend channel. As long as you're inside this channel, let's take the last 21 days. As long as you're inside the channel and above the 22767, bullish on all time frames. PanW, we talked already. We talked about PanW. Broke above, now heading towards this gap over here. And if you don't know, I also have Twitter. This is my Twitter where I post many great setups for long, for short. Look at this. I talked also about Palantir. I talked about CRM. I talked about PanW 2 hours ago. So if you follow me on Twitter, this is my Twitter. You are more than welcome to follow me there. And also, only if you want, Fibonacci traders also have Instagram. you're more than welcome to follow me also on Instagram. So this is my Twitter. Make sure you follow me on it so you won't miss great setups even for free. What else do we have? What is Matan? I don't understand your US 10-year United States 10-year government bonds. This one basically moving sideways, nothing much. It's not this one. It's this one. Looks strange. Wait. I don't think it's this one. US 10-year. This one. Downtrend until proven otherwise. Nothing much. Lower highs, lower lows, and the US 10-year bond yield. What else? What else? Mobileye. What do we have in Mobileye? Doji. Yep. Inside candle. Doji after yesterday candle. Not surprising. Let's wait until breaking above the, if you're not long yet, I would wait above the 28.16. We talked about it in today's morning. MSOS. MSOS. Also, I just posted. More green to smoke. Oh, there is a lot of more green to smoke on MSOS. Above today's highs. 850, 890. Next targets. CRM also looking good. Broke above this very tough resistance area. Now heading towards, looks like heading towards the 267 as the gap. Let's check. SPY now at the 50% retracement. This is SPY on the 15 minutes. Let's check QQQ on the 15 minutes. What's going on here? Let's take Fibonacci, swing high, swing low, and look at this at the 50% retracement. And of course, you have trend lines to help you understand where price might be heading next. Look at this trend line. Support, resistance, resistance, together with this. Now, swing low, swing high. Now you have everything in a chart. I know it looks like 4D, but once you get used to it, you will never want to go back to any other lagging indicator. Look at this, all this area. Trend line together with the 618 Fibonacci retracement. Breaking below, we are back to the 480.29 and retesting this red line to the downside. So what else do we have? What else did we haven't talked about yet? What else? Nothing much. Bitcoin continues to move sideways. What else do we have interesting? NEE, very interesting. NEE above, broke above this tough resistance, the 73.17. Now at the 50% retracement, long continuation, you will see 75.76 to the upside. We have also, what else do we have interesting? All the cruise, CCL, RCL, and NCLH, Norwegian. Very interesting names, very interesting setups. Had a few days of an uptrend on all these setups, super interesting. RPD. If you did not watch RPD, my top stocks to watch last Sunday, you've missed already more than 10% to the upside. 10% in 2 days. Yesterday broke this trend line. Today another 3.8% above today's highs. And this gap at the 45.30 will get filled. ZS, Zscaler for Zurich. Looking good. As long as you're above the 178, you're good to go long. If you're not long yet, maybe it's time. I don't know. Do your own due diligence. Do your own research. This area is a very important area of support. You got yourself the buy signal, and here you have bullish. You saw it live. You see? You saw it live how the weekly just turned into bullish. You saw it live working the FTI. Bullish on all time frames and the scalar. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate you found something helpful, educational. If so, hit the like, subscribe. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. Join today the Fibonacci Traders University or the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Choose your path to financial freedom with me. We go hand by hand until you and you and you and you will start making money through trading. Until the next video, until the next live, stay safe.